All right, kindergarten friends, welcome to Music with Mrs. Lassig. We are going to learn the second verse in our 1 and 1 Makes 2 song today. And this is where you really get to do some really good acting. So get out your best acting skills and get ready with me. So we are going to sing about some things that are so much more fun to do with 2 than 1. And the first one we acted out with one of our games that we did in class earlier. We were talking about playing on a seesaw. You guys acted it out so well. So we're going to pretend like this is our seesaw right here. So our first part is, well, let me show you what I mean. Say that with me. Well, let me show you what I mean. Now, here's the words. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. And so go ahead and make your seesaw and say it with me. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. And now we're going to sing it. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. Try it with me. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. Great job, you guys. But you're all alone. So you're all alone and you don't know what to do. Try that with me. You're all alone and you don't know what to do. Great acting. Here we go. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. You're all alone and you don't know what to do. Try it with me one more time from there. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. You're all alone and you don't know what to do. Here's the next part. Well, go and find a friend. So wave to your imaginary friend or your real friend. Well, go and find a friend and sit him on the other end. So try that with me. Well, go and find a friend and sit him on the other end. So trying from the beginning. Well, say you want to play upon a seesaw. You're all alone and you don't know what to do. Well, go and find a friend and sit him on the other end. Here's our last part. It's more fun. I'm going to check my words real quick. You'll have more fun. Sorry. You'll have more fun. And we're going to go down on our seesaw. So down and then go up high on your seesaw, down low and up high. So we're going to do, you'll have more fun when 1 and 1 make 2. And up again. There you go. So we'll have more fun when 1 and 1 make 2. All right, how'd you do? Let's see if we got that whole new acting part. Say you want to play upon a seesaw. You're all alone and you don't know what to do. Just go and find a friend and sit him on the other end. You'll have more fun when 1 and 1 makes 2. And then you know our next part. It's the chorus that you knew from before. 1 and 1 make 2. Least I'm pretty sure they do. Oh yes, it's true. 1 and 1 make 2. All right, great job, you guys. Now watch the next video with everything we've done so far with the music and see how you do. Great job.